Okay, so in this question, an aeroplane is flying at a constant height and speeds towards an airport. At one instant, the airport is 600 kilometers from the airplane in a direction 60 degrees east of north. Okay, so the airplane must reach its destination in 50 minutes. So it must travel 600 kilometers in 50 minutes. So the speed required is going to be 600 kilometers in 50 minutes. So that's 50 times 60 seconds. So 600 kilometers in 50 minutes is 200 meters per second. Now, so it's 200 meters per second in a direction 60 degrees east of north. Okay, so we're gonna, there's north. We need a vector which is 60 degrees east of north. So my vector needs to be in that direction, starting from there. Okay, and we need to draw a this needs to be our velocity vector. It needs to be in that direction, 60 degrees east of north. So it needs to be 200 meters per second. I'm going to use a scale that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meters per second. This is a bigger piece of paper. Your piece of paper would need to have a different scale. But so 1 centimeter is 10 meters per second. So I need 20 centimeters for 200 meters per second. So that is my velocity vector, 200 meters per second. Now, this is the velocity that is needed for the plane, but we are told that a wind speed acts 30 meters per second on the aeroplane in the direction west to east. So we have 30 meters per second this way, and we want to go in this direction. So the actual vector must be like this. This must be the velocity of the plane relative to the air. So we need a 3 centimeter long line here for our 1 centimeter is 10 meters per second. So that is my velocity of the wind. That is the velocity of the wind, like that. So the plane will need to fly in this direction, like this. Okay. So that must be the velocity of the plane to the wind. So that is 30. That's 200. So this line here is 17.5 centimeters. 17.5 centimeters is equivalent to 175 meters per second. So the speed is 175 meters per second. That's the speed that is needed. The angle, again, we would measure the angle to north. Here turns out to be 51.5. Oh no, sorry, 50, there's 50, there's 60. So 56, 57.5 is this angle here. 57.5 degrees. 57.5 degrees east of north. Okay, so what, just explain that again. This is the velocity of the plane that we need. That is made from the wind plus the velocity of the plane. So the plane will need to fly in that direction at this speed to travel 200 meters per second in that direction. Okay.